Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A23 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set one-handed mode in your phone Samsung Galaxy A23. First, go to the settings of your phone here and go to advanced features and here select one-handed mode and turn on the button against one-handed mode. Now click over one-handed mode. You have two options. First option is gesture and second option is button. If you use gesture, what you have to do is swipe down in the center of the bottom edge of the screen. That means here you have to swipe down so that one-handed mode will be active. See the demo now. One-handed mode is active. This is right-handed mode and you can use all functions of the your phone. That is you can use your full screen with one hand only. Okay, see here I go to settings with your one hand like this, just you can use. Okay, if it is in full screen up to here, your hand cannot able to touch. Okay, so it will be very easy to use with one hand using this mini screen. Okay, if you want to use left-handed mode, just click here and it will shift to the left hand and you can access all the areas of your phone with left hand only. Okay, this is for right hand, this is for left hand. If you again click on the empty space, it will go to the full screen mode. Okay, also you can again swipe down in the center bottom here, see here, so that it will sorry, if you again swipe down, it will go to the full screen. See here. Okay, in a similar way you have another option, that is button method. What you do is, if you choose button method, you go to double tap on the home screen. Okay, see the settings now. Go to the settings again and go to advanced features and go to 100 mode and select button. Now you have to double tap on the home button to activate 100 mode. Yes, 100 mode is active. If you again this is left-handed mode, this is right-handed mode, this is full screen mode. If you again double tap on the home screen, it will go to the full screen. So in this way you can easily set one-handed mode, either right-handed mode or left-handed mode, either using gesture or button in your phone Samsung Galaxy A23. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.